this video, I'm probably going to try and get, I don't know how much, but we're going to get started on the diffuser, the rear diffuser for the fiero. Yeah, first we had to go get, basically we had to drive, Paul drove to my house, and then we drove to his house with his car, and then now I'm driving his Cadillac, and he's in his Conquest ahead of me, because we need to put it in storage. So, as of this video, officially, our cars are both in storage. So, yep, let's get started, guys. Taking a trip for some metal. I bought a 4x10 sheet of 22 gauge, and then I bought 10 feet of this half-inch tubing. So, and yeah, so now let's figure this shit out. Alright, so I got a little piece here cut out. It's 4 feet wide, 3 feet this way. What I just did was I measured, I'm pretty much just kind of figuring out, and I'm going to fold this over so I have a nice clean, not sharp edge. So this will be what is showing. So this will be the top, and then that's going to be the bottom. I'll probably end up folding it over as well, just to make it rigid along the edge. So yeah, let's get this folded over. So we have some like 1/8 inch plate underneath, and then we have this angle iron here, and I'm going to make a ghetto brake. So hopefully it works. So let's get that done. All right, so what we got here is the lines there and there, and everything's like lined up with the brake, or the lower 1/8, and then this guy goes across. So now we're just gonna try and bend it, see how that goes. Well, it's screwed in. We got it centered. That's kind of what I'm shooting for. I don't know if I want it sticking out this far. We'll see. We'll start with that. If I need to, I'll cut it and then refold the lip, because the lip didn't turn out as good as I was hoping. I need like take the sledgehammer and something significantly harder than what I was using. So that might clean up that edge a lot. But yeah, now to figure out how I want to do this. So, and I ended up marking over here and over there, around that, and over here where it lines up with that. So in case I want to do some cutting and artwork and such. But I first got to decide whether I want to put any sort of bow in it. If I do, it'll probably be at the bottom. So, alright, let's do this. Alright, so we ended up using this 3-inch exhaust pipe to try and make some sort of reasonable curved bottom. So, let's go see how that fits. We're messing around with the thicknesses. So there'll be one right here and one right here. That's just the center. So there's one every 16 inches, right? Something like that. Because it's 4 feet wide. And yeah, so that's probably close to the design we're going to do. Nothing too crazy. It'll stick like 2-3 inches underneath of there. So we're going to be scraping on everything. That'll be freaking great. Yeah. So let's, I'm going to convince Paul that he needs to make me a better template while I make. So this little strip here is going to do what it's doing right now, lay there. And then I have that little 1/2 inch stuff, and I'm going to run it off of here down to there. Hopefully that's how it works. Yeah. Even though what I should do is probably I could do that from here to over there and then run it down. That's actually probably how I'll do that, because that'll probably be the best. So let's do that way. Alright, well, just started welding that, and of course, you know the drill, guys. Hey, motherfucker, we're out. So that's sweet. Alright, so I just got that welded in. It's not perfect, but you know what? What's perfect on this car? So, first thing I can point out is, so these are cut off at different lengths. So, as you can tell, there's that much space there. There's that much there. So, luckily, once the turbo's here, you won't really see this, so it'll break it up. And who really gives a shit? I doubt they'll be looking at that. But I'll point it out, and then you guys can bitch about it in the comments. Or my really crappy welds. Get all those really crappy welds in there. or the fact that that's not like in the middle over there. I could point them out for days. 4 days. So yeah, there's that. Paul got the thingy done. So now all we got to do is cut out 2 of them. 2 of them.
In the middle?
Yeah. And then, yeah. Cut those 2 out of there, and then we got to tack on some... We got to cut out some strips to go along it, and then, yeah. We'll go from there. We'll figure it out. Got one cut out, and then put the little mounting thing on there, and now we're going to pull it off so it's easier to mount that. So let's do that. Alright, so I just finalized the welds on this, and then the back sides of these. So now we can put the panel back on, and then try and mount those. Mount that, because I still got to make the other one. But yeah, we need to prove concept once. So let's get that mounted onto there. This is what we ended up with so far. I can't say I'm 100% happy with it, but it'll definitely be fine for the first version. So, and I'll probably throw some more tacks on there. We just want to make sure it's going to look good. Unfortunately, this is where it ends because it's like 10 at night and don't need to be pissing off the neighbors. She already is hostile. So, yeah. Unfortunately, this is all you get to see for right now. So, like, comment, subscribe. See you guys in the next one.